Hello everyone. So this is Monday, and I'm sure you guys are waiting for this update. This is a long-waited update, and so like 2 weeks. And I want to show you what we are shipping in this update. So let's dive in. So the change log is here. So first thing is actually secure document features for spaces. So yeah, let's see that. Uh, okay. So first thing, if you go to the space settings, you will get a new feature that is enable file or document library for this space. So once you enable that, you will have option like who can access the files. So member only logged in or public. If it's this space is public, you can set that so anyone can download those things, and then who can upload the documents. So only space member or admin or moderator only, so that's up to you. And then yeah, update info, then go to, and once you enable that, then you will have this new option like documents. So when you go to the documents, so there's my old documents, my testing document, and then you can actually upload a document. So either you can upload a document from here, or you can go upload even from the post screen. So let's try this first. So uh, uh, some useful documents. Here you go, please check this out. And then I can like upload some documents here. And if I want to change the title up here, this is a useful document one, then something like template file one, I can update it. I think I have to press the update, and then I have to click the upload documents. So once I upload those, so these are you will get those things. And if someone go to the post, and then they can see this document, and they can click those, or they can actually up download those documents. So here is a document. So yes, that's pretty cool. As a moderator, or as a admin, or even if you give access to the users, they can also download those documents. And these documents are like super secure, like only the authorized person can download those documents. So that's pretty cool. So something like if even someone actually copy this link, and open in incognito window, then they cannot download. So uh, only logged in, I mean only if you give access to the document, they can upload those documents. So that's pretty useful feature. You guys are asking for this for many days. Also we needed that feature too, so that's pretty cool. So the next thing is actually secure documents feature on course lesson. So this is the similar feature. So if I go to the courses, so let's say this course, and let's say I want to add some document here. So let's say another lesson, and then I will have this option here, documents file. So similar way I can just upload some documents. So let's upload this mp3 file, and also this video file. And then I will have this document. I can rename this file, or I can just save this, uh, and that's it. So when someone go to that document, so let's just add some content of this course, because I don't have any content. So just added those thing, I can save it. In this version we also add this like little view. So when you are building a course or something, you can just view that directly. Now you are here, you have this documents, and also we have this little document icon, so they can scroll to that document easily. So like let me give me some example. So let's say I will add some more content here, and if I view that document, so in the first screen the documents are not here, but if I click on that, like this little icon, I will go to that document section, and your student who already enrolled this course, they can download those documents easily. So that's a pretty cool feature, I think. uh, yeah, so that was the another feature. We will also improve the course features, but I will show you. But let's go to one by one. The second thing is third thing is actually new members and grid layout. So many of you are asking for that feature too. So if you go to the settings, then go to the customization, and then here we have a new option, that is member list layout. So list view, that was our default in previously, and now grid view. You have to save that and then go back to our member list. Then you can see, like, you can see there's a nice grid layout. So yeah, so that's your option, like which one you want to use, list or grid. So yeah, you can easily switch that for your, and same thing happens for your like this. uh, so yeah, so same thing happen, yeah, so for your space, and you can do that easily. Yeah, so sorry, I had a call, and that is yeah, so these layouts are universal, so you can do that easily. So let's see that. Then invitation links for spaces. So that is pretty interesting feature as well. So let's say you have a space. Let's go to the space, like this space, and this is a private space. So what we can do, so something like that, space settings, not space settings, sorry. If I go to the members, then invitation, so you will have this new, like new invitation link. So you can create an invitation link, so something like, say, for my inner circle, and you can give how many person can use this invitation link, and you can give an expiration date as well. So something like limit the number of users, like you can empty, so it will be unlimited until you delete it. So like say 10 people, and you also give an expiration date, so like, so in 2 days. Okay, once to that, then you will have this secure link. So anyone with this link, they can actually, if they are logged in, they will be automatically added to that to this space. Or if he's not, he does not have any account or anything, they can just register, and they will be added to that space. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing is actually, that is, this is very very big feature, that's a reversed access management with FluentCRM tag. So let's see that, how that will work. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool, trust me. So if you go to the settings now, and then you will have this new menu, that is access management. Then access management, so how this work actually, like, you can enable that. So by default it's disabled, you can enable that. So what you will do actually, like, say you have some tag in FluentCRM, and you want to give access to the you know uh, spaces or courses based on the tag, and these are like real time syncing and everything. So let's say I have a space here, like announcement, and I want something like it's bind with like special access tag in FluentCRM. So these tags are coming from FluentCRM, so I only have two tag. And so that is something like do that. And also this little checkbox sync this tag with your space access. So what this means actually, if you enable that, so basically if we add a tag to that space, sorry, so that is, so if you remove a tag somehow from that profile, their space access will be also revoked. So that's pretty cool. And here is, we have some settings, like create a contact in FluentCRM if not exist when join in a configured space or courses. So what that mean actually, like, someone actually joined in your course or a space, and if that contact does not exist in FluentCRM contact list, it will create that contact and add that tag. Same for like create user. So someone actually fill up a form, you add a tag like special access, and if that email, that contact does not have any uh, user account, you can actually create that account on the fly, and then send an welcome email, just WordPress password reset email to set up the account, to do that easily. So that's how cool is. So let's try that. Okay, so let's go to the admin panel, and then go to the Fluent CRM, and let's just what we can do, just we can create a new user. So let's say testing user, and testing at user.com, and testing, let's say 1 2 3 4, and I will not add anything here. I will just create the contact. So this is a user, and this user does not have any user account. Okay, and in our settings we have, like, if we give that special access tag, so that user should be added to that space, and when I remove the tag, then the access should be removed. So let's try that. Tag, so I will just add the special access, confirm it. So that's done. And now if I reload this page, that so this user actually created here, but let's see if we have that user in our community portal. So testing user, so that's the testing user. And then if I go to the spaces, you see that this user is a member of this announcement. Okay, and I can also see the special access, and it's a subscribed user. And let's try like remove that tag. So the what will happen actually, like if I remove that tag, that user will be removed from that space as well. So let's remove that tag. And now if I go to the spaces again, like no space found. So that's like a very cool feature with this Fluent CRM. And you can do like lots of things, like based on the tag you can actually sell membership or something. So you can you know sell something in WooCommerce, CDD, Fluent from whatever you want, and give the tag for that user. And when you give the tag, then that user will be added to the specific spaces, courses, everything. And also when you remove the tag, then they will be removed from those something like, say someone did not pay or refund something, you can remove that tag, and they will be removed from all those spaces as well. So yeah, that is a pretty cool feature. You should definitely check this, try this. And just a note, this feature is only available on the pro version of Fluent Community, and it does not require Fluent CRM Pro, so it will work on the free version. Okay, so next thing is actually improved auth pages, UI, UX, and better integration with FluentAuth. Yeah, so that is something we was working for quite a bit. So now the password reset and everything that will be inside it. So let's log in. So this, so yeah. So another thing is actually, like, when I'm saying like better integration with FluentAuth, like if you did not tried FluentAuth, you should do that. It's a free plugin. We use all of our uh, sites. So like say FluentAuth, I think it's Fluent Security, and then you will have. So this is the FluentAuth plugin. It's a very cool plugin. You should definitely give it a try. We just updated it with the integration and everything. So you will have the social login with Google and GitHub. We will add more, I hope. So yeah, it's a very lightweight, super clean authentication and security, super simple security plugin that we use all of our sites. So that is the only plugin, security related plugin, that we use on our sites. So yeah, so you can definitely give a try. And so yeah, so once you do that here, then you will have this little thing like log in with those things. Also, if you use the lost password feature is also built in now. If you have FluentAuth, and user login and sign up is included. So I can back to, and I can also sign up. So sign up also like social login and everything. So yeah, so that is like a pretty cool feature. So let's check our next thing. So in the next, we have, I think, Fluent CRM trigger for code send and space left, and also contextual Smartcode for Fluent CRM automation. These are two also very useful feature. So let me show you how those work. So yeah, so I think I have this one. Let's go to WordPress, Fluent CRM. Let's go to automation. So if you have this automation, and in community you have this like left from a space, enrolled from a course. So now you can run an automation from space, someone leave from a space or enroll from a course. You can actually do that, do a new automation. But we added something cooler in this here. So let's say, uh, welcome sequence for announcement community, announcement space or course, whatever, and join in a space, continue. Now you can target for, say, let's say, announcement. When someone actually join in the announcement space, we want to start this automation. And then let's say I want to just wait like say 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I want to send a customized email. Okay, and then send a custom email. So the interesting fact is here, so something like, we have this you know fluent community, and the thing is actually here like space membership. So this context menu, context data is actually coming from your trigger. So that is like space title. So what you can do actually, something like hello there, like thank you for joining this, your space name and something. So something like thank you for joining, yeah, joining say FluentCom space name. So that space name is actually the the trigger from the trigger. So that is something like you can easily do that. And you can also do that for your courses and something. You can also have something like this, like say you want to show the all the enrolled course link or enrolled space links. So you can also do that. So that is also pretty cool. Yeah, so let's see what's next. Then course editor mobile UI fixed. Yeah, in this version we actually like added few things in the course module. Let me reload that because I logged out and logged in. And yeah, manage. So one thing like some people have lots of sections and lessons. So we added this one. So something like you can now call up the sections and everything. So that is pretty cool. And then what we did actually in this version, something like, you can directly go to the preview lesson. So when you go to the preview lesson here, then you can also like, when you are admin, then you can click on the edit lesson and then directly come to that edit lesson. So that is also pretty cool in this version. Also now if you are use mobile, so let's say I want to use the mobile version. So something like this, and reload this page. So then it's like mobile optimized. So yeah, you can easily use that for mobile. Okay, my recording things got messed up a bit. Yeah, okay. So let's see next. Next is fixed permission. So there are like few things that we added under the hood for moderator, course creators, and everything. We have fixed few other things like for everybody tag, Gravatar API issue, and as well as improvements in the other section. So under the hood we have improved a lot. Just one thing that I want to show, uh, something that we are working for quite a bit, and still we are experimenting. We did not release this publicly, but let me pause it and find that URL. Okay, I am back here again, and so something like I wanted to show you, we are experimenting something like how far we can go with fluent community, like how when you will have like thousands of people, thousands of like hundreds thousands of people, millions of post reaction and everything, how does it work. So we added this little project, doing some little project, and like adding tons of data into it, seeding tons of data. So something like in this instant, so it's running on a $30 per month server on xCloud managed growth package. You can check with them, like say a very decent server. And so it's only $30. So in this space, so this is a real data. So we have 11 spaces, then 100,000 plus community users, 2,000 plus post, half million comments, and then 1.5 million total likes, so including comment like, post like, and everything. And how that work, so is it get lags or anything. So it should actually, like when you click on something, it should like instantly come here when you go to the members. So it's pretty cool, pretty, and then go to a space, so it's like it's kind of instant. So like to do that, so something like say music, and it got like, so from all the 100 to 2000 plus post and everything, it got like 1300 results in less than half second. So that's something like we are like super proud that we are testing it. It's live. You can go to that URL, community hyphen test one.wpn.site, and test it. So we're not kind of not advertising this, because I want to do some more tests. I think we still need some few areas, we need some optimization and everything. So yeah, so that's like little benchmarking project that we are working on. And as always, our goal is always make fluent community super fast. I keep the best experience for the users. So that is something we aim to do. We want to do. And so another thing is, actually this site is actually like not only with fluent crm sorry, fluent community, fluent crm and everything. So we have loaded a pretty cool, pretty standard site. So something like in this site, we have lifter lms installed with the 6 cores, woocommerce installed with say 100 sorry, 1000 orders, wo payments, and few other plugins to do that. So that's like, you can go to the my orders, and then you can it's asking for login. I am not sure if that's the right, no, I forgot that link. So so that is something you can take a look, and I will update you on this. So yeah, that was today's update and details. And I will have a live webinar uh, tomorrow. I will let you know the date, time, exact expect time. So hopefully it will be the similar time like today, but I will let you know in our group, in our community, so you can join and ask question, and I will try to answer those. So, and also what's our plan for the future and everything that I would very excited to share with you. Okay, see you guys updated on point on 5. This update, it's pretty cool update. I'm really excited to hear from you. Please let me know in the comment, about what do you think about these all these features.